In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and sign into a Yahoo Mail account. We'll move through the process from start to finish so you can get into your inbox quickly and securely. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you normally use. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if possible, close extra tabs to keep things running smoothly. Next, go directly to the Yahoo Mail login page by typing mail.yahoo.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. Typing it in directly is a good habit because it takes you straight to the official page and helps you avoid lookalike sites. You should see the Yahoo Mail homepage with a clear sign-in area. On that page, locate the sign-in section. It's usually front and center, designed to be easy to find. In the field provided, enter your Yahoo email address, your username, or the phone number you registered with your account. Take your time here and type carefully. Watch out for stray spaces at the beginning or end, and make sure everything is spelled correctly. If you're using a phone number, it needs to be the one linked to your account. Once that's entered, click the next button to proceed. This tells Yahoo which account you're trying to access and takes you to the password screen. Now, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, which means uppercase and lowercase letters matter. Double check that caps lock isn't accidentally on, and be cautious if you copy and paste, as extra spaces can cause errors. If your browser offers to reveal the password as you type, use that feature only if you're on a private device and no one can see your screen. After you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. If everything is correct, you'll be taken straight to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's been a while since your last sign in. You'll also see an option labeled Stay Signed In. This can save you time in the future by keeping you logged in, but only select it on a personal, private device that you control. Avoid using this option on shared or public computers for your security. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.